This is Tokyo. Niigata is right here, facing the Sea of Japan. To get here, get on a Joetsu Shinkansen bullet train. 2 hours of blissful view and you're here. No matter when you come, this prefecture has 4 seasons to enjoy. Spring, summer, autumn, and of course, winter. We're popping by during the summer. Niigata is divided into 4 areas: Joetsu, Chuetsu, Kaetsu, and Sado Island. Each has its own unique history, culture, colorful nature, and of course, reasonably priced delicious food. There's plenty to see, do, and taste around here. All you need to do is drive on their expressway. To rent a car, search for Niigata Rent a Car. Find the closest rental company, book online first, and then head there to collect it.
Konnichiwa.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, thank you.
Thank you.
お疲れします。
So you have to have your passport and your international driving license, of course, if you want to rent a car. She's giving me a form now, which I have to fill out. And the form also covers your basic insurance, so you don't have to worry about that.
はい、ありがとうございます。
Oh, and you must get yourself a Niigata Drive Pass. With it, you can drive through Niigata's toll gates on the expressway as much as you want. It's a one-time flat rate, so it's definitely worth it. Just go online and find out more about this convenient pass.
Yes, please.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
はい。お願い
That's
し
it.
ます。
And you're done. Get your passport, your driving license back, and your car keys, and you're good to go.
What about paying for parking, you ask?
Everything's very easy. You just key in the parking number. In my case, it's 23, and pay the amount.
Tradition and nature always go hand in hand in Niigata. The best representation of this is Yahiko Shrine. Remember, you can key in the address, telephone number, or even the neighborhood on the GPS. Look out for these 3 important signs when you're on the expressway. PA or SA, they are rest stops with convenience stores. The ETC lane, the toll gate that you can use since you bought a Niigata Drive Pass. And your exit, of course. In our case, it's the Maki Katahigashi interchange. This massive Torii gate indicates that you've reached Yahiko village area. Passing through this Torii gate means that you've entered the spiritual world. Are you ready to visit the 2,400-year-old shrine built within the forest? The first thing you spot as you walk in is the bridge for the gods, or kami-sama. It is called Tamano Bridge. Continue walking through. Soak in the refreshing energy emitted around you. And enter the Haiden, the main shrine area. This is Yahiko Shrine, and behind is Yahiko Mountain.
It's beautiful. I feel like I'm walking into a movie set.
The Yahiko Shrine is built on the foothill of Yahiko Mountain, where they say a deity is enshrined.
I think that was a prayer procession. Hardly ever happens. I got my chop. I got the whole video of the procession in slow-mo.
Oh, you did not.
Dude, look at this. Yeah, hold it.
Oh my god, this is so cool.
I know.
Just outside of Yahiko Shrine is Itoyo Confectionery Store.
おはようございます。
いらっしゃいませ。
おはようございます。ねえ。かわいい。
As the legend goes, the rabbit that lived on Yahiko Mountain were disturbing the villagers. So, Kami-sama came down, scolded them, and immediately the rabbits apologized to the villagers. As a sign of thank you to Kami-sama, the villagers made these rabbit-shaped snacks, like these steamed yeast buns, and these Japanese sweets made from fine-grained sugar called wasanbon.
チョコレートでできたハマアサギになります。7種類の味になってますので、よろしければどうぞ。
What luck! Usually they only sell these Tama Usagi chocolates from autumn to spring. So good.
Mine's with blonde milk matcha.
I don't have another one.
No, leave some for the car. Okay.
Next, I'm taking Juanita to the best viewing spot in this area.
You hear your ears popping?
短歌の草を立て杉森の中に弥彦神社のお社が見えてまいりました。
Whoa! Look at that!
Completely different from what I remember. There's ample Insta-worthy spots up at Yahiko Mountain. Or you can opt for some downtime. That's a nice view. We're moving on to Ojiya City, the birthplace of the swimming gems. It'll take about an hour to get there, whether you start from Yahiko village or Niigata city. There are two places we're visiting here in Ojiya City. Luckily for us, they're just across from each other. First stop, Nishikigoi village.
Two. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. It's really cool because you can also give the ice cream cone. So, zero waste. Thank you. Hey, want a snack? It's for the fish.
Oh, okay.
What are you looking at?
I think this is like the gene pool, like how they actually get different patterns on the fish. In Japan, these colorful carps symbolizes luck, perseverance, and strength. The word koi is actually a homophone for the word love. The prettier the color, the higher level of koi.
You walk with me on this romantic koi bridge where we will feed them. Oh my god, you're so big. Humongous.
I heard you can pet them. Let's try.
Oh my gosh, you're going near. Oh, I'm so scared. Do it.
Just across from there is a production center where you can buy top quality handmade kimonos and clothes. Taking tradition and nature to the next level, Ojiya City is famous for hand-woven textiles called Ojiya Chijimi, made from hemp plants. They use the hemp fibers from the stalks to make these hemp fabrics. Here, you can actually weave your own drink coaster.
じゃあ靴を脱いで座ってください。
ございました。So there are 3 steps to it. You catch it with the other hand, change your foot, and then you thump down, which is like you smash it.
もう一本ワン。
I made it, my little coaster. 1 coaster. Get it?
Let's end the evening with a panoramic view of the rice terraces in Nagaoka. It'll take about 30 minutes from Ojiya City.
Look at this view! How amazing is this?
It's so wide. You know what's funny? When I tried to feed the fish, and out of nowhere the fish just splashed, and I really didn't realize that, and I just went, oh. Like the girliest thing I've done so far.
Oh, you've been like eating yours slowly.
I'm savoring.
I'm just like
I'm savoring my chocolate.